Hello, welcome to today's session. Let's discuss about the VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP functions of an Excel. First up on VLOOKUP. This function is used to display the value for the leftmost column in the same row and search the information from the columns after the cell. For this, you should arrange the table in ascending order. See, so this is Oreo, for which we want to look up the value in the same row. See, this row contains Oreo. We want the quantity for the Oreo. So, as a result, we want 20. We enter the formula as a VLOOKUP. Even is the value Oreo for which we want the respective data from that cell. So VLOOKUP is equal to even is the lookup value, A4 to E12, A4 to E12. This is the range of the table in which you want to search the particular data. Column number 3 means this is first column of your range, second, third. From third column and the same row you want to find out the value, that is 20. So this is range. Third is the column index number. False is used for exact match. If you want appropriate match, then use true. Okay, so here let's see, it's 20. Suppose I want to find out the data for the chocolate. So let's enter chocolate. See, I got the answer as a 50. So VLOOKUP is nothing but to search the data vertically, that means in the column. Now let's discuss the HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP means to search the data in the row, that is horizontal searching. Okay. Similarly, this is my data for the HLOOKUP. I want to find out for the Oreo. Okay. Now M1 means this is the value for which I want to find out the respective data. H4 to Q8, that means this range, H4 to Q8. Okay, this is my range. In column number 2, row number 2, see, in HLOOKUP you have to give row index number. So I want the category for particular atom. That's why I have entered the second row of my selection, that is category. So here 2 as a row index number. False we have to use for the exact match, and true for the appropriate match. Here we want exact match, so we used toppings. Now let's try something else. Let's see for the raspberry. I have entered raspberry. See the result. Suppose I want value from the third row, then just change the row index number. Okay, this is what? The HLOOKUP.